In the name of God, hello everyone. My name is Arian Sarafraz. I'm an anesthesiologist and I'm a teacher of this project. Our project about tropic effects of Ramson on high blood pressure. Our team is one of the winner in Geneva Festival. It's my pleasure to introduce our student of this project. Everyone, please introduce yourself.
Greetings, y'all. I'm Raoufi from Dr. Shafiei High School, and I'm so grateful that you are listening to our lecture and article. It's a pleasure for being here.
Hello everyone, this is Arian Sarafraz from Dr. Shafiei High School. This is my pleasure for being here, and I hope we'll give you an awesome aria.
Hello, I'm Nima Nemat from Dr. Shafiei High School. It's my pleasure being here for this project and article.
Hello, my name is shokouhi from Dr. Mohammad Shafiei.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Okay, so in this project, as you know, one of the most important projects in pharmacognosy, we studied the use of wild garlic known as ramsons or allium ursinum on high blood pressure. And that is the most important part of the garlic family. And hypertension, known as a silent killer, has irreversible effects on very important parts of body like heart, livers, eyes, and brain. So we selected two groups of mice. Each group contains 10 mice, and we studied them over a 1 month period, and then we created the situation and condition of tension and stress by using ephedrine and creating the environment of tension and stress. And after a month, we gave one group a regular garlic and the other group allium ursinum. After a month, we saw that the group that we gave them a wild garlic had 10 times more lower blood pressure than the other group. So in today's world, as you know, because of the stressing and full of stress world because of COVID-19 and other things happening in the world, by using this kind of method, using wild garlic, we can help people to keep track of their hypertension, and less people could die because of just this. Thank you. This was my the part of me, and I give my stage to chapter of the project to my dear colleague.
Now, I'm here with the main body, the circulatory system. Cell is the smallest practical structural unit of the human body, which many cells differentiate as specific purpose and form tissues. A set of tissues together form the limb and eventually the device. So at first we have cells, after that tissues, limb, and at last device. One of the most important vital organs of the human body is the circulatory system, as I said before, which consists of three parts. At first, we have the heart, the arteries, and at last, the blood. With each contraction of the ventricles, blood circulates in two directions, that you can see these two directions here. So, there are two scientific terms that I want to tell you that they're really important, and one of them is superior vena cava, and the second one is inferior vena cava. And there are two kinds of blood pressures. The first one is systolic blood pressure, and the second one is diastolic blood pressure. What is systolic blood pressure? You know, the pressure caused by contraction of the myocardial muscle of the heart and causes blood to flow in the arteries, which is known as systolic pressure. And what is DBP or diastolic blood pressure? The pressure that enters the blood stream through the muscular wall of the artery, which causes the blood to continue to flow through the artery, is called diastolic pressure. In general, blood pressure is affected by two parameters. One, resistance to blood flow, and blood conductance or blood flow rate. Following an increase in arterial blood pressure, the flow decreases. But if the blood pressure increases, the rate of blood exchange increases, and the volume, and the volume of plasma entering the intercellular space increases. As a result, damage to sensitive organs such as eyes, kidneys, and brain is possible. Take care.
Our last student, Mr. Nima Nemat, wants to describing the result of our research and our article.
Hello everyone again, it's me Nima Nemat, and I want to describe my result part of this article. Let's do it. Due to the therapeutic side effects of anti-hypertensive drugs and the effects it has on the people in long term, such as heart complications and etc., we will got achieved with the use of edible plants that has effect on treatment and prevention of high blood pressure. But it is interesting that we are here and we achieved that a plant, what plant, that is the plant that has a great effect on
Decreasing hyperlipidemia
yes,
and control the blood lipids. Okay?
yes,
Or TGC, triglyceride. Okay?
yes, and we can use the what plant as one of the most effective and important tools for reducing the blood pressure and preventing from chronic blood pressure, because when high blood pressure left unchecked, it left a lot of harm and damage. For example, it damaged kidneys, brains, and human eyes today. And hypertension, especially during the corona pandemic, can reduce the chance of the people that had coronavirus or COVID-19 surviving, which is not allowed to us to let the world like this. And we should try to find a solution for this problem.
Thanks. And this part of our article is here, the result of our article.
Yes. Yes, of course. What plant is vasodilator?
It's a vasodilator because it contains
Allicin.
allicin.
Yes.
And the advantage of our article versus other article for this word, allicin. Allicin can stop and inhibit releasing angiotensin II that
It makes the blood pressure high.
That's great, and allicin can stop releasing angiotensin II. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for paying attention.
Our resources is Guyton physiology is the most important book about physiology of our body, of human body. Coxon pharmacology, and it's the most important reference in medical terms and medical fields. PubMed.com,
Gharehbagh.com and selected medical
Journal,
planned by
WHO,
and the sciencedirect.com.
and it's the most important site about medical terms and medical fields. Thank you for your attention. I wish the best for everyone. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.